What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Fox Chamber. Yes, I am back from the Bahamas. Had a great cruise down there. And actually, when I was down there, I saw a red GT. It was a, late 90s. I couldn't tell exactly what year it was, but I saw a red late 90s GT as we was passing by on the cruise bus. And I didn't get a picture of it. I was going by too fast. Didn't really expect to see one, but I saw one down there, and I couldn't get back over there to it to get a picture. They didn't allow me to go back over that in that area. But anyway, as you can see behind me, the Fox is back up on stands. What I got planned, as you know, my fifth gear is still grinding a little bit. And so what I got planned is I'm going to take the transmission back out. A friend of mine did a little bit of research, and he said that possibly the pilot bearing could be suspect. You know, when I did put the transmission back in, about a quarter of an inch, maybe a little bit more, maybe 3/8, I had to pull in with the bolts, and he said that might have been an issue. So what else we got to lose? I mean, the transmission is rebuilt, so I'm gonna try everything I can before I have to take the transmission back apart again. So I'm not gonna bore you with all the details of taking it back out and all this other good stuff. What I'm gonna show you is the pilot bearing extraction. You know, since I didn't do that before, we're gonna do it now. So when I get to that point, I'll bring you back up to speed with everything. Well, we got everything tore down. I got something I got to show you about that pilot bearing, and it might be causing, or it might be the reason that this thing is vibrating like it is. But anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to take that pilot bearing out. We're going to be using a special tool. I heard of a way that you can get it, the pilot bearing out using bread and maybe like a bolt. But I got a little bit of tape around this bolt. But we're gonna try the bread method to get this thing out with. We're gonna see how good it is. Of course, you see, I got my bread, but we're gonna see how good this thing works, taking the pilot bearing out using bread and a bolt with a little bit of tape around it. Because this might be the reason for all of the grinding in fifth gear and a little bit in reverse. This might be the cause of it.
Well, as you can see, yeah, the pilot bearing is broken. The little outer edge, yeah, it is destroyed. So we're gonna replace it, and hopefully that'll take care of the grinding I got.
Well, the bread method did not work for me. It didn't look like that bearing moved 1 inch or 1 millimeter. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to O'Reilly's, get me a doggone removal tool and call it good. Well, I'll get back with you when I get back.
20 minutes later.
Well, back from O'Reilly's, got the stuff we need. I guess we should have went to go get it the first time. Who am I kidding? I can't get that bread stuff to work for me. But anyway, you see we got the puller, slide hammer. So let's get back up under there and take this thing out so we can see if we can finish this job up. Let it sit there. Got everything back together, took it down the road. I didn't film any of that, but it still grinds in fifth gear. Yep, so the transmission is gonna have to come back out. I mean, there's no doubt about it. But I do know that it's possible that it could be a shimming issue. It's gonna come back out, get re-shimmed, and we're gonna get this problem fixed. I mean, I just gotta get it fixed. There's no other way around it. It's just gonna have to be fixed regardless of what I gotta go through to get it fixed. So it's gonna have to come out for a third time. So y'all stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this thing, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you can get that fresh stuff when it comes out. And hopefully we can get this thing fixed, and we'll see you later.